The Cable Company Billing Program. This program calculates and prints a customer's bill for a local cable company. Good morning everyone, I am Ruth Alfonso. The program that I will discuss is the Cable Company Billing, which is in Chapter 4. This programming example demonstrates a program that calculates a customer's bill for a local cable company. There are two types of customers, the residential and business. There are two rates for calculating cable bill, one for residential customer and one for business customer. For residential customer, the following rates apply. Bill processing fee is equals to $4.50. Basic service fee is equals to $20.50. Premium channels is equals to $7.50 per channels. For business customer, bill processing fee is equals to $15. Basic service fee is equals to $75 for the 10 connection and 5 for additional connection. Premium channels is equals to $50 per channel for any number of connection. This program should ask the user for an account number or an integer and a customer code. Assume that the letter R stands for a residential and B stands for a business customer. The purpose of this program is to calculate and print the billing amount. To calculate, we need to know the customer, whether residential or business customer. We also need to know the number of service connection. This program should print the billing amount of 2 decimal places. As you can see, the bill processing fees, the cost of basic service connection, and the cost of premium channel are fixed. These values are needed to compute the bill. Although these values are constants in the program, they do change periodically. To simplify the process of modifying the program, instead of using them, we should declare them as named constant. Based on the problem, we need to declare the following named constant. The named constant for residential customer is the static final double. We use the static final double. R bill proc pre is equals to 4.50. Static final double R basic serve cost is equals to 20.50. Static final double R cost prem channel is equals to 7.50. The named constant for business customer is static final double B basic proc P is equals to 15. Static final double B basic serve cost is equals to 75. Static final double B basic con cost is equals to 5. Static final double B cost prem channel is equals to 50. This is the following variables to compute and print the bill. After the public static void main, we see the variable use. The int account number, variable to store customer. The char customer type, variable to store customer code. Int number of prim channel, variable to store number of premium channel to which the customer subscribe. Int number basic serve con, variable to store number of basic service connection. Double amount due, variable to store the billing amount. Formulas is the one important factor in programming. The program uses a number of formulas to compute the billing amount. To compute the residential bill, we need to know only the number of premium channels to which the user subscribes. The following statements calculates the billing amount for a residential customer. Amount due is equals to residential billing processing fee plus residential basic service cost plus number of premium channel times residential cost premium channel. The following statement calculates the business billing amount. To compute the business bill, you need to know the number of basic service connection and the number of premium channels to which the user subscribes. If the number of basic service connection is less than or equal to 10, the cost of the basic service connection is fixed. If the number of basic service connection exceeds 10, you must add the cost for each connection over 10. We notice that the program uses switch to calculate the bill for the customer, and if-else statement in the formulas to implement customer code. This is the complete program. First is the import java.util and the main, then the name constant, then the variables, then the title of the output, then the formulas, and then the formulas using if-else statement, then at the end we use the end switch statement. In running a program, the user should enter the account number and enter the customer type, whether B or R, and enter the basic service connection, then the premium channels, then the account number is 12345 and amount due is equals to $1,320. That's end of discussion. Thank you for listening and watching. God bless. Based on the preceding discussion, this is the main algorithm. Number 1. Prompt the user to enter the account number. Number 2. Get the customer account number. Number 3. Prompt the user to enter the customer code. Number 4. Get the customer code. Number 5. If the customer code is R, prompt the user to enter the number of the premium channel. Get the number of the premium channel. Calculate the billing amount, print the account number, print the billing amount. Number 6. If the customer code is B, prompt the user to enter the number of the basic service connection, get the number of the basic service connection, prompt the user to enter the number of premium channels, get the number of premium channels, calculate the billing amount, print the account number, print the billing amount. Number 7. If the customer code is something other than R or B, output an error message. For steps 5 and 6, the program uses a switch statement to calculate the bill for a desired customer. You can also use an if-else statement to implement steps 5 and 6. that's end of discussion. Thank you for listening and